The cliff jumping Joey lab activity can be used to determine the relationship between the height at which a projectile is launched horizontally and the range of the projectile. In order to change the height of the cliff, click the red arrows on the right side of the simulation. The value of the cliff's height can be determined using the gauge on the left side of the simulation. By clicking on the bicyclist, which is our projectile, you can set them into motion. To take measurements of the range of the projectile, use the ruler at the bottom of the simulation to measure the distance to the center of the back wheel of the bicycle. To repeat the process, click the Reset text at the bottom right hand of the simulation. By changing the height, you can record a variety of different heights and their associated distances. Using a graphing tool such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you can then record this data and generate a graph to determine the mathematical relationship between these two variables.